Consider a drop of rainwater. So this is a drop of rainwater having a mass of 1 gram, falling from a height of 1 kilometer, which is 1000 meters. It hits the ground with a speed of 50 meter per second. Okay. The work done by the gravitational force. So gravitational force, this is mg, and h, the displacement is also in the same direction. So therefore work done by mg is going to be 1 gram. So mg into h, so 1 by 1000 kg into g is 10 meter per second square, which is mentioned, and h is 1000 meters. Gone. So this is equal to 10 joule, and of course going to be positive because force and displacement both are in the same direction. So therefore theta is equal to 0 degree. So therefore cos 0 is equal to 1, which is positive. So therefore it's going to be 10 joule. Now the resistive force of air. Okay, so if you see the kinetic energy which is here, kinetic energy is half into mv square, so 1 by 1000 into v square, which is 50 into 50. So this becomes so this is 2500 divided by 2000. Gone 25. So 4 divided by 5, which is 1.25 joule. So that means what? See, the work done by mg is 10 joule, but the energy gained by the energy which is converted into kinetic energy is just 1.25 joule. So that means minus 8.75 joule work has been done by the resistive force. Okay, so resistive force is in this direction. Okay, and this is like buoyancy and drag force combined. So minus 8.75 joule is the work done, then only 10 minus 8.75, which is a net gain of 1.25 joule. So therefore these both are matching, so therefore D is going to be the answer.